for loops can condense your coding from multiple lines to only a few and makes your life so much easier. Let me show you how it works. For this setup, we are going to tweak the CSS just a little and give the body a black background. In the HTML, we are only going to use one div tag. Give it a class of colors. Let me introduce you first to the array. You use square brackets to make one. An array is simply a variable that has several objects, and those objects are numbered according to their placement in the array. In this one, we will put the colors red, blue, yellow, and green. Each number position in the array is called an index number, and it starts at 0. Yeah, I know, a bit confusing, but it simply means that 0 is your starting point. You can always ask questions in the comments below. I will answer every one of them. We need to assign our query selector to the class in our div. Setting up the for loop is pretty easy. We just need to put the starting point as a variable, how many number positions we go through, and then take the position we start at and add the next position. Since we have 4 colors, and the short form of index is I, we can type in let I equals 0, then put I is less than 4, and use an increment operator with I. We want to display the object names or colors into the inner HTML. We do this by using the colors class and add the inner HTML, but now we need to put in the addition assignment operator, which adds each of the objects into the full display. Do your backticks and put in your h1 tag. For now, set style equal to color white. Between the tags, we need to put in the variable of color, but include the index of I with the same square brackets as the array. Check it out! You've got a nice list of colors. Here's a bonus! You can take the same color variable with the index, but now you can replace white in the style with the variable. Whoa, what? That's right, your for loop just made your day.